Hello, nice to have you back. In this virtual class, we're going to look at a short way method of finding the square of single digit number of 9 to 1. We want to find how do we generate their square without going through a longer multiplication process. Now, if we want to find the square of 9, how do we do it within a few seconds? Now, within a seconds. Here, what we usually do if we want to find the square of 9, we look for a number that we need to be added to 9 to make it 10. And what is that number? Is 1. 9 plus 1 to make it 10. So here we put our tens and units. Okay. Now, we added 1 to 9 to make it 10. What we usually do, we want to get our result, we say 9 minus 1. That will give us 8. We put it under the tens digits. Then the number we added to 9 to make it 10, we square it. So we say 1 square, which is simply 1. So we come here, we put it here under unit 1. Then we add. This is 1, this is 8. You see that 9 times 9 is 81. Within a second, you are done with that. Okay? Alright? Now let's move on to 8. 8 times 8. What number do we need to add to 8 to make it 10? The number is 2. So that's a number you subtract it from 8. And this will give us 6. So you put the result under the tens digit. Then you square the number that's so added, which is 2 times 2. 2 squared 2 times 2. That will give us what? 4. You see, it is very easy that the square of 8 is 64. Now let's go to 7. We look at number. What number do we need to add to 7 to make it 10? Is 3. So now 7 take away 3. 7 minus 3 will give us 4. You know, this will be here. Then if you square 3, 3 times 3, that will give us 9. You put it under the digits, will give you 49. Good, let's move on to 6. Now 6 square. Maybe this means 6 times 6. Okay, what number do we need to add to 6 to make it 10? Is 4. 6 minus 4. That will give us 2. We put it under x. Then if we square 4, that will give us 16. So 1 and 6. Adding it, this is 6, 36. Okay, similarly, for 5, let's look at 5. 5 square. So what number do we need to add to 5 to make it 10? Is 5. So we say 5, take away 5, we have a 0. Okay. Then we say 5 square. Will just give us 25. Add it, that will give us 25. So 5 square is 25. Alright, let's move on to 4. For 4, what number do we need to add to 4? To make it 10 is 6. Okay? So we say 4 take away 6. We're going to have a negative 2 minus 2. Alright? We put it here. And if we take the square of 6 is 36, we put it under here. We add, this is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. You see that it is 16. Okay, let us move on to 3. So 3, what number do we need to add to 3 to make it 10? Is 7. So we say 3 take away 7, we have minus 4. So this will be under the tens digits. Then if we say 7 square, is 49. If we square the 749, we have already know it here. This is 149. Add plus here. 0 plus 9 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. So our answer is just 9. Okay. Now let's try 2. Let's try 2. What number do we need to add to 2 to make it 10? That is 8. So 2 minus 8, that will give us minus 6. So minus 6 here. Then we say 8 square, which is 8 times 8. That will give us, from here we can see is 64. So we'll put here 64 here. 64 here, we put addition. So here is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. Alright, we'll try it. We have done it for this. Let's try it for 1. 1 plus what will give us 10 is 9. That will give us 10. So 1 minus 9 give us minus 8. Okay. And here, if we say 9 square, 9 square is 81. So here we have plus 81 here. If we add it, you see that 1 square is 1. Okay. It's a very short way that we can use, to find the square of a single digit number. Quite simple. So children, people can use this method instead of using the 9 times 9. Instead of saying 9 times 9, now begin to say 9, 18 till you get 2, or counting in a group of 9 till you get 2 8 square. Okay, this is a very short way of handling square of single digit number, ranging from 9 to 1. Alright, so please, once this video comes your way, all you need to help me do is help me subscribe and also share to other platforms. People might eventually need it. Have a nice time. See you on my next video.